Okay. Let's get started.
Awesome. You guys have any questions about the homework?
No.
Nope.
All right, let's do this dang quiz then.
Okay.
What did you guys get for the first one? I got 0.1745. So I guess that'd be 0.175.
Hold on. Yeah, I got 0.1744.
Me too.
But it's 0.15 when you round it to 3 decimal points.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 4 says the United States Coast Guard assumes the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 185 pounds. The previous value was lower but was raised after a tragic boating accident. The standard deviation of passenger weight is 26.7 pounds. The weights of a random sample of 48 commercial boat passengers were recorded. The sample mean was determined to be 177.6 pounds. Find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme, either above or below the mean, than was observed in the sample. Round your answer to the decimal point, please. Okay. Do you understand what we're doing? I don't understand.
I think you just need to find, let's see. I don't know. Maybe find the z-score of 177.6.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is as extreme or more extreme. So we just need to find the z-score and then do the area of the curve to the right of that. Oh, but it says in the note, it says we're not only interested in the values that are lower than the ones we observed, but also values that are far away from the mean as ours in the positive direction. What'd you guys get for the z-score?
Hang on. If I did it right, I got 0.8389.
I got negative 1.92.
That's what I got for the z-score.
Which one did you get, Mackenzie?
The negative 1.92.
Joel, you screwed up.
I guess so.
Or maybe we're both wrong, I don't know.
Well, what do you guys do then?
The 177.6 subtract 185 divided by 26.7 divided by the square root of 48.
Okay. Got it. I just mixed up some numbers, so I got it now.
That's okay, we still like you, Joel.
Thanks.
So when I plug it into the applet, are they just looking for the area under the curve not in the middle of negative 1.9 and 1.9, but the two outer extremes?
That's what I'm getting.
So then your answer was 0.055?
Yeah.
Okay.
.055. Yep.
Okay, number 5 says, which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn from a population?
Smaller. Wouldn't it be the distribution of the sample means?
That's what I'm leaning towards.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Because if you take the mean of each of those 9 samples, they're all going to be closer together probably than just one of those samples that might be spread out because of an outlier or something.
Right.
All right.
Well, number 6 says, which of the following results implies the spread in the mean decreases as the sample size increases?
I think it's the law of large numbers.
That's what I was leaning towards.
You okay with that, Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Number 7 says scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed with mean Q equals 150.8 and standard deviation 8.8. Use this information to answer questions 7 through 10. Diane earned a score of 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE. What is the z-score corresponding to Diane's score?
Got 1.045.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Again, number 8 was the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE.
I got 0.148.
Yep. The GRE, their scores are 160, 175, 163, 149, 153. What is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students?
Well, the mean is 160, so wouldn't it be the same answer as the last one?
That's what it seems like.
Yeah.
The same. It'd be 1.045.
Yeah. I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too.
And 10 would be the same answer as number 8.
Mm-hmm.
This one wants 4 decimal places though, so it's 1480. Right?
I guess.
Yeah.
We don't know what the fifth decimal point is, but I wouldn't know how to.
Yeah, I feel like.
Maybe we're missing something.
Yeah, maybe.
The only thing I could question is, this is what's the probability that five randomly selected students will have a mean score? Do we need to plug that? I don't know. I'm going to try plugging it into the equation to see what happens.
Okay.
Because we were supposed to use the information above for this question as well, so. I don't know if it's right. I got 0.0997.
And how did you get that?
Plugged in the 160 minus 150 point, what was it? 160 minus 150.8, and then I divided it by 8.8 divided by the square root of 5s, since that would be the sample population.
Would also change the z-score, wouldn't it? Because that equation gave us a z-score
Yeah.
for number 9. Because I got 2.341,
Yeah, that's what I got.
and then so then I plugged that into the applet, and then for the probability I got the same as you, but I got 0.0096.
Okay.
Not 9.
So, what's the,
So it could be the math. What'd you get for the z-score, Christian?
I got 2.3377.
Yeah, that's what I got.
7, 7. Okay.
So, are we saying that not number 9 would then be 2.338,
Yeah.
and 10 would be? Now I'm nervous. Is it 0.0097 or 0.0096?
Well, your z-score is different than mine.
Mine's 0.0097.
Joel, what did you do to get the z-score?
Did the 160 minus the 150.8 divided by 8.8 and divide, well, on the bottom it's like the 8.8 divided by the square root of 5.
Yeah, that's what I
Might
did.
have just been like rounding.
Yeah. What kind of calculator did you use to do it?
I just used my computer calculator, so that's probably why. So
Okay.
yours is most likely right. So for 9, 2.338, and then 10.0097.
Wait, what?
Right? Isn't that what you said?
Where's the 10 coming from?
Number 10.
Oh, 0.0097. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. I was just checking. Sorry.
I thought that was part of the number, and I was like, there are no whole numbers here. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, you're good.
Okay. So are we good to move on to 11?
Yep.
I think so.
Suppose the mean GPA of BYU Idaho students is 3.5 and the standard deviation is 0.7. It's well known that the distribution is left skewed. A random sample of n equals 81 students will be drawn. Use the information to answer 11 through 15. What is the shape of the sampling distribution of the random variable x? It would be approximately normal.
It's large.
What is the mean of the distribution of the sample means? It's going to be the same as the parent population, which is 3.5, right?
Yes.
And then the standard deviation would be the same.
No, the standard deviation should be small.
Oh yeah,
the
because you have to
standard
do the. I forgot. You have to divide stuff.
Wait, I'm struggling here. What's the equation to get that?
Isn't it just the standard deviation divided by the square root of n?
Yeah.
And n being 81. So I got 0.078.
What did you get again, Joe?
0.078.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, number 14 was the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho students will be less than 3.3.
What are you guys getting for the z-score? I keep getting a crazy number.
Negative 2.571.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
Me too.
So then the probability is 0.005.
Yeah.
And it'd be the same for both. At least that's what I think. I got.
Yeah, it should be.
14 and 15.
We ready to submit?
Yep.
Alright. We missed one.
015. Right, is equal to 1 minus.
Oh. And that's because on the last one, it would have been
Everything to the right.
everything to the right of.
Yep, we messed that up. Oops.
Dang it. Alright. Not bad.
Nope, we did pretty good.
That was a hard test. It's like the hardest one we've been to do.
Yeah, I think so. That's good.
Alrighty. Thank you guys.
Yep.
Yep.
Same time on Tuesday.
Yep.
Mackenzie, have
7:40.
you heard from Darby? Joel and I have not.
Mm-mm. Not heard anything.
Okay. I hope she's doing alright.
Yeah.
Alright, well, Tuesday at 7:45. We'll see you guys then.
Yep, see you then.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.